Welcome. This video looks at how SAP Global Trade Services integrated with S4HANA Extended Warehouse Management secure compliant processing of imported goods during inbound processing. We begin by looking at the benefits of having EWM integrated with GTS. It helps you secure adherence to mandated customs procedures. The combination integrates seamlessly between warehouse and customs operations. And finally, you can avoid unnecessary delays through end-to-end process integration. Let us explain a few elements related to the import process. In EU, as well as in other regions, you can avoid paying duties at the border through a transit procedure. The transit procedure allows you to bring the goods to your facilities and perform customs declaration at your location after goods receipt. However, before you can physically unload the imported goods, the transit procedure must be closed or discharged. Upon the arrival of the goods, you must send an arrival notification to customs with reference to the transit document created by your freight forwarder. Customs will then decide if they would like to inspect the goods or not. In most cases, they will refrain from inspection and instead send you an unloading permission. Before the unloading permission has been received, you are not allowed to break the seals and initiate the unloading and put away procedure. The transit procedure is completed by sending a conformity message, confirming that the received goods are in accordance with the transit documentation. When the transit procedure is discharged, the goods can be imported into free circulation or placed under another customs procedure. Let us look at an example. We begin by creating a purchase order from our supplier in China. Later, we will create an inbound delivery with reference to the purchase order. However, the inbound delivery also contains a reference to a T1 transit document. We will see that the inbound delivery will be blocked for further processing of the incoming goods until we discharge the transit. After discharge, the inbound delivery is no longer blocked, and we can move on with relevant warehouse activities. So let's go. First, we create a purchase order towards one of our Chinese suppliers for 10 units of a given product. We note down the purchase order number and move on by creating the corresponding inbound delivery document. Then, in the header, under International Trade, we enter the reference to the T1 transit document. Upon saving, the inbound delivery is distributed to EWM. In the Maintain Inbound Delivery app, we see the preceding documents. On item level, we can see that the inbound product is under customs processing. When changing the status to in yard, the delivery is blocked for further warehouse activities. This is also visible in the Change Inbound Deliveries app. If we attempt to create the follow-on warehouse tasks, we are kindly informed it is impossible. Instead, we move to the Display Inbound Activities Transit app in GTS. We search for our inbound delivery. In the work list, we find a corresponding transit declaration under Arrival Notification. We open the transit declaration and move to the Communication tab before sending the arrival notification message to the customs authorities. Back in the work list, we refresh a couple of times and see that our declaration moves stepwise in the processing overview. Seconds later, we receive a response from customs. We open the declaration again. Under Communication, we see that we have received the necessary unloading permission. If we refresh our selection in the Change Inbound Deliveries app, the inbound delivery is no longer blocked for further processing. We can now create the relevant warehouse tasks to bring the imported goods from the goods receipt zone to its put-away location. Mission accomplished. Let us recap the benefits of having EWM integrated with GTS. It helps you secure adherence to mandated customs procedures. The combination integrates seamlessly between warehouse and customs operations. And finally, you can avoid unnecessary delays through end-to-end process integration. The views, information or opinions expressed are solely those of the individuals involved and not those of the individual's employer, or any other group or individual. Thanks a lot for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe. More videos like this are coming shortly. See you then.